I'm gonna show you guys another dish we're gonna do. It's literally just an avocado, cucumber, cilantro salad with tomatoes. It goes really fast, really easy, super healthy. We use no dressing. Get yourself one of these. So I like to call this my healthy salad. Everybody always asks me how I make the salad, so here it is. The secret's out. I'm sure someone's already made it. I have not watched any videos. I've just kind of made this one, so obviously you gotta have a cucumber. Chop the ends off it. You could slice all the green off it. I like to keep the green on there. It's a little more healthier. Cut the one cucumber in half. And this feeds about 4 people, so when you one cucumber, and then we're gonna cut this thing in like little cloves. Let's see, here we go. It's easier to cut like this. Okay, here's the cucumbers. I'm not good with sizing up portions, so one cucumber. I do 1 whole head of cilantro. Move these guys out of the way. And make sure you wash everything. I've already washed all of it, so it's easier. There's the cilantro. Add the cilantro to the cucumbers. Nice and pretty looking. You can use any type of tomatoes. I just got these. A little easier to manage. And basically just cutting these tomatoes in half. I got some in the fridge. I got the best feta cheese on the planet. Yep, there it is. Now, can we get the camera to zoom in on that? Probably the best feta cheese on the market. I mean, you can argue with me over it. I grew up on it. It's about 15 bucks. The whole can, you get about 5 cylinders in it. All the tomatoes are cut. So, you can use red tomatoes, you can use all type of tomatoes. I got 2 more of these from the other day. We'll cook these in there so it doesn't go bad. Well, they're almost going bad. So let's cut these open too while we're at it. You can cut them any way you want. I try to keep them just pretty sizable. I don't know, you can cut them small, big, large, however you want. Run some bell peppers in here if you want. Okay, so there's the base of the salad. So what I do now is I'm gonna add the avocado. Slicing the avocado. I hope I picked a good one. Oh, look at that, fucking perfect. So boom. By the time you're done, you're gonna be a professional cook. And the reason why I put the avocado last, I'll show you guys. Let me get these guys. Okay, I need a little spoon. Small spoon, like this, the size. And what I'm doing with it is literally, I'm chunking away at the avocado, like this. little by little, as you can see. And I try to get an even layer of avocado on the salad. So I'll show you guys why I like to get an even layer of avocado on here, because that's the secret to the madness that I have. If you don't like avocado, something's wrong with you. I don't know. I'm just joking. Some people like it, some people don't. Believe it or not, I never knew what avocado was until I came to California. Believe it or not. We're Armenian, and we didn't have avocados in Armenia, or at least that I know of. Maybe I was too young. But it's great. And you could add feta cheese to this if you want. You don't have to. I'm going to, just because I love feta cheese. I know Brian likes feta cheese, and I just like feta cheese. And it's my cooking show, so I can do whatever I want. So, okay. So you see how evenly the avocado is spread on top. What I do then, a little bit of garlic salt and some lemon pepper. I'd say sprinkle the lemon pepper evenly on the avocado or the whole salad. And what's gonna happen is the avocados are gonna be the stickiest, so what they'll do is they'll retain all the seasoning instead of going to the very bottom. Usually all salads and everything goes to the bottom, you lose out on everything. This way, your avocado's got all the flavors built into them. Say so when you go and serve it, every serving is gonna taste identical. So 2 lemons should do the job. I usually roll them a couple times, get them nice and soft. They're easier to do. And this one's got, obviously all lemons are gonna have some seeds in it. So what I like to do is pour them all in the tray. You know what? I got this tool. This thing. Just put it in here and squeeze it. I usually put, depending on how big the lemons are, put about 2 lemons or a lemon and a half. It's pretty darn big lemons. So put this in the salad. I'm doing it so I can catch the seeds from. Well, almost lost a seed. I mean, seeds don't hurt nobody, but my parents said if you eat the seed, it'll grow in your tummy. So try to keep the seeds out of the salad. Okay, now you can end the salad here, mix it up and serve it, or as I like to do it, add some feta cheese. You like feta cheese, Brian?
I do.
Really taste just separately. It tastes really good with those little Triscuits. Tastes amazing.
Why don't you go ahead and slide me a little piece on there?
Try it.
It's gonna be fabulous.
So you can try cutting it, but it ain't gonna work. I got half a block of feta cheese. Just crumble it. No, don't ruin it with that.
It's not gonna ruin it. It's just gonna give it a little flavor, a little spice, a blazing bite. Wow, fantastic.
I love feta cheese, so. That is how you make a cucumber, avocado, feta cheese salad at our house. We get these little tools of ours. A certain apparatus, and we just mix. No ranch, no nothing too crazy. The feta cheese makes it a little unhealthy, but it's a lot healthier than ranch, I think. I got my guests here today. I'm gonna serve it, and we're gonna get a feedback of. Well, let me try it first, see how it tastes. And I will tell you. Welcome. Goosebumps. Oh, it's delicious. And I need you to be honest with me, B. If the thing sucks, or it's missing something, I need you to be like, hey, Johnny's, you know.
I'm sure it's gonna be amazing.
Tell me.
So good.
I know, hold on, I'm coming.
With the chicken.
He's eating his salad with a Chinese spoon.
You can capture all of the juice at the end with it, so it's kind of like a little treat for the end.
That's perfect.
So, sorry guys, I've been itching to eat all this stuff. So, like us, subscribe to our channel, turn on that notification. I got a bunch of more stuff to make. We'll start making more faster so you get some more content if you guys want to cook some of this stuff for Christmas or whatever. Subscribe to us. If you got comments, you don't like something, or you have questions, feel free to comment. And if you have some mean comments, keep them to yourself. Nobody cares. That's all I got.